Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to my desktop. I'm using Vinci Resolve 16, and I had some issues that there weren't answers for as far as I could find on other videos, so I had to kind of learn them myself. And maybe they're so basic everybody else knows them, but I thought I'd share them just in case there was somebody out there like me. So let me just drop in some clips so you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, and I will just edit out all the unnecessary stuff, right? So let's just do this real quick. And we'll call that good. Just take that. What I did is I got three different short low clips here, and those are the kind of clips that I would normally. I do a lot of videos where I'm just in front of the camera talking, and I have a black background, and you can see there's some wrinkles or whatever. So usually what I do is I just crush the blacks. For example, let's say right here I would go and just take the blacks down. So it's kind of like a dark background, okay. So what that does is that looks great there, but nothing here, nothing on the first two. In other words, the change didn't carry over, okay. So what I used to do would be, I just have a bunch of these clips to make a video, and I would select all, and then whatever change I did on one would be carried over to the other ones. And that worked perfectly fine until, say, like I wanted to start putting in other clips, you know. Okay, so now here's the situation. If I have clips in the beginning, say, that I don't want to crush the blacks, but here I've got three clips in the middle that I do want to crush the blacks. As you can see, I can see the folds. See? That's the one that we did, see? So I want them all to be like that, say. Okay, so you can see the situation I got. I want all my clips to look like this back one. See how deep black it is? But now look at these ones. They don't carry over the same attributes, right? So like you can and let's say you have a whole bunch of them or whatever. One easy way that you can do it is, I'll show you here. Let's just put this back how it was. So now we've got all three of these center clips where the blacks are not crushed. Now I want to crush those three, but not do anything to the outdoor or the restaurant ones, the first and the last. So I'll just go on the first one of the three, and I'll select that, and then select the second and the third. And then what I'll do is I'll come up here to clip, and then I will tell to make a new fusion clip. So now let's put those all together. So now I can jump in anywhere and just go to color, and then whatever change I do to the one's going to do it to all of them, but not the first or the last, see? So this was like somewhere in here was the first clip, say the bottom was the middle clip, it's nice, and say the card was the last clip, it's good, but the restaurant is fine. I didn't change the blacks on that at all. And the beginning is still going to be sunny. I didn't change the blacks on that. So I thought that's a pretty handy way to go about it if you've got a bunch of different clips, and you just want to apply changes to one time instead of having to do each and every one and try to match them up. So anyways, I hope you found this useful. Until next time, we'll see yous.